Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile from public to private. So let's begin. First of all, open your Instagram application. Now here on the bottom right, click on this profile icon. Here on the top, select this icon on the right. Here you can see account privacy. Click on it. So tick this button or swipe this button to activate private account. Here confirm and click switch to private, and so now your account is private. So you have moved your account from public to private. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this helps.